Jim and Kelly Thompson. We've lived here for 9 years. I entered a contest on breakfast television actually, and they called and I was a qualifier, so I went down to the home show, and there were pots that we had to dig in to get some dirt. Well, there was dirt in the pot and there was a potato in the pot. And the first one to get the potato out won the enclosure, and that was me. Again, from the very initial meeting of Daniel, and then the follow-up phone call to set up an appointment for him to come out to us and give us the estimate and explain the product. Extremely prompt, never late, always here when they were supposed to be. And then when Daniel came, or no, it was Jordan, when Jordan came to do the install, he was here exactly when he said he was going to be, and he was done exactly when he was said that he was going to be as well. So from initial meeting to the very end, extremely professional, love the product, and love the people that we dealt with. We have recommended many people already. Yeah, everybody who comes over, and lots of family members, lots of friends who sit out here and enjoy this with us. Everybody knows about Suncoast now. Yeah, great experience.